welcome to our new channel.
We will be eating Chick-fil-A pizza today and a little dessert. So grab some food and join us. So we can start eating now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so like we made this pizza and it's been sitting out for a while. So, but it's still good.
Yeah. And it's basically just like pizza dough with Chick-fil-A sauce and then fries. And then the chicken sandwich and chicken nuggets.
That sounds pretty good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Oh, half of it we did with chicken nuggets, like the nuggets from Chick-fil-A, and the other half has spicy chicken from the spicy chicken sandwich. I think this one's the spicy chicken sandwich one.
Yeah. That's so good. But I can mostly just taste like the sauce and it's really...
I need napkins. I'm Mexican here. And to drink we have agua de Jamaica. So we come grab a slice.
Tell us. Yeah. Critique our food. Critique our
tell
cooking.
us how it tastes. Rate it out of 10. This one. It's kind of cold, but not really. What would you rate it out of 10?
Would you buy your pizza if we had a restaurant with this?
Probably.
Really?
Yeah.
How much would you pay? Like $10?
I don't know.
You could get it for the low price of 20 because you're my brother.
It tastes good. It's like a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
I'm very
Thanks.
disappointed at your rating.
Oh, is it
Not the 10 because it's like only 1.
These some really big bites.
Okay, Jocelyn, who was my first kiss? What is my full name?
Crystal Garcia Alcazar. Oh no, Crystal Jasmine Garcia Alcazar. I forgot your middle name. No, I knew it. It's just that like it's like my first instinct.
Okay. What state was I born in?
California.
When
You have to answer the question.
Oh, yours too? Jocelyn Moreno Gallardo.
Where was I born?
California too, right?
Yeah.
What is my birthday?
I know it. It's September 20. I think because I always get confused with 2 numbers. 26?
No.
24? No. 23?
No.
Oh, that's 25.
Yeah. This is December 10, 1999.
Yeah. It's a dazzler. It's because like I know where like it is, but like I don't remember the exact date.
What is my astrological sign?
Do you know mine?
You're Sagittarius, I think.
Wait. It's because I don't know the signs. Can you look them up for me?
You want me to tell you like all the ones?
Yeah, the ones that there is.
So there's Cancer, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius, Taurus, Aquarius, Gemini. Yeah, I think.
Are you a Libra?
Yeah. You got it. Okay. What is one food I couldn't live without?
I feel like there's a lot of them.
I know.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Wait, I'm
The
trying to
spicy
think.
sandwich probably.
Mm-hmm.
Because you don't like, you like pizza, but not as much as you like Chick-fil-A.
Mm-hmm.
Me, I have a lot of foods I like too.
Chinese food?
Wait, I can't live without Chinese food?
Oh, actually, no, Italian food. Any Italian food. Like pizza, pasta, all of that.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh, what question were we on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the video cut off, you guys.
Had to switch to the phone.
Yeah, because
Okay.
the camera died.
Yeah. So what was one of my most embarrassing moments?
Wait.
I can think of a few.
Oh, probably of the time where no, but I don't want to say that because it's too personal.
No, tell me. It's okay.
When you went to school in Mexico, I
Oh.
don't want to say that. But it's that one, isn't it? That's one of them.
That's one of them. Do you have like another one?
Oh, when you peed. When your baby brother was born, not your baby brother, but
Oh yeah. So.
at the hospital.
Mhm. So my little brother was born, and I was like 2 years old, and I wasn't wearing a diaper, and we went in the elevator, and I got scared, and I peed myself. Okay, one of yours, when you fell, when you were walking out of the older you pee.
Oh,
And then you fell.
the street.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that was made fun of for like an entire
I know.
year.
She like
because of
fell.
that.
I mean, I didn't see, but like.
And because there was like construction in front of our school,
Mhm.
and there was cones, and I didn't see that there was cones. And I freaking tripped, and then like cars had to stop because I was
We're gonna run her over. When and where did we meet?
First, I mean, we could probably both answer that question. Our first day of middle school.
Mhm.
I had my friends, and one of my friends knew her.
Introduce us, yeah. Like I remember meeting you and Miss Angel, another one of our friends, and like talking to you.
That friend at the time was a very good friend.
Mhm. Tea. Hibiscus tea. Is this hibiscus water? Right,
I don't know what
Jamaica?
it's called.
Hibiscus water tea. I don't know.
What it probably is. It's agua fresca de Jamaica.
Mhm.
Jamaica.
Did I ever get written up in school? So like I guess like detentions or like anything like that.
Did you ever get detention?
Only one time Miss Lee gave it to me. I was so offended.
I got detention once too.
I don't remember why.
I was using my phone in a rally when I was in middle school.
I remember he took your. I don't remember the teacher, but they took your phone away. I didn't remember.
And like the same day, I had
Oh,
to
was
go
it Miss
to
Harper?
detention. It was in the rally. Everybody was using their phones, but like me and Miss Angel got in trouble for it. But I don't think they gave the attention to him, only to me, because a lot of people like him.
And then me. What was? I think it was because I was tardy 3 times. But I remember I felt so offended. I was so butthurt because that teacher really liked me. And she just gave me attention out of nowhere. And I was like, you couldn't have excused me. Just kidding. But like, I was really sad. And it's not even that big of a deal.
I know, this is attention.
I know.
Oh, do I prefer chocolatey or fruity candy?
Chocolatey?
Yeah. And yours is fruity.
That's fruity?
Yeah, kind of. Isn't it?
No, chocolatey.
Really? I thought it was fruity. I think you won this challenge.
So that, we didn't even do the dessert. Okay, we should stop this. Okay, so for dessert we have, what is it called?
A Brookie. So it's like a mixture between a brownie and a cookie. And that's how it looks like. But
It looks bomb. Jasmine, do you want some? Oh no, you're busy.
Oh no, you're busy.
Yeah, I was saying how she's gonna eat it while she's doing that. And then for this part of the video, we're going to be doing a story time.
About the time when we almost got kidnapped?
At the train station. I almost died. You would not be right here right now if it would have gone bad.
I'm surprised I'm breathing right now. Oh my god, you can see chocolate on my teeth. That's nasty.
I'll try. That's really good.
Okay, so it all started one of the first times we were coming back to our hometown from being in our college. So it's like an hour and a half away, but like when we go on bus, it takes a really long time. So it takes like up to 5 hours sometimes to get back here.
That's so exhausting.
It is. I come back and all I want to do is like lay in my bed for days.
Watch Netflix.
When we only come here for days.
I know. Oh, so we had gone on the train and then we got to like a city and we had to wait in the city for the bus to come and take us to our hometown. And then when we got to the station, we noticed that there was like a strange man like in the corner. You want to say this part?
Well, I noticed because I was just minding my own business, being on my phone, waiting the hour and something. Wait, how much was it? Like 15 minutes that we had to wait there,
really
right?
long.
And I look up from my phone and I see eyes looking at me. Like I can't really see the guy's face because he's like hiding behind like this like I don't know what you call it, like wall thing or like pillar.
Oh yeah, pillar.
Because he was like hiding behind it, but like you could see like holes where like his eyes were peeking through, and like he straight stared right into my eyes. And I was just like, I told Crystal, I'm like, dude, that guy's like weird.
He was staring in the direction and I was like, whoa, what is he doing?
I'm like, but don't look because and I'm like, dude, I'm getting scared because he didn't stop staring at me. Like all you could see is like his big ass eyes like looking at me. And then suddenly he just started talking to us.
Oh yeah, he came up to us. He shook our hands too, which was kind of weird.
Yeah, and then like, how are you girls or something like that. And he started making talk and saying that he's seen us around campus.
And we've never seen that guy on campus.
He was like to Crystal, he was like, yeah, you always wear that sweater. Well, like we never wore like around
I know,
campus.
like she had the sweater like for the summer, and then I had barely worn it that day, so like there's no way I could have worn it before.
Yeah.
So like we knew right away that he was weird, that like we've never seen him before.
He was probably high or something.
Yeah. And he wouldn't leave. He would keep talking, which was quite uncomfortable.
And he asked us questions like he kind of already assumed that we went to UC Davis though.
Yeah, because it's nearby, like right there.
And he asked us for our name, and like he got us so like off guard that we told him our actual name. Really? Yeah.
Say you saw you guys on your bikes?
Yeah, in our bike.
Oh yeah,
he told us that he saw us
on campus on the bike. I'm like, what? How would he recognize us?
We do have a bike, so that was scary.
It was.
Like for the next few days that we were like around campus, I was like kind of scared that I would see him again.
I would honestly keep looking around just to see if like I saw like anybody like that.
Yeah.
But I didn't. So.
And it's not the first time that something like that happens to me. Or like just a random person like starts like looking at me and following me and stuff.
That's so scary. Yeah.
Could have been killed.
Yeah.
Thankfully, we didn't see him again though.
No, we like literally just like cut him
or
off.
did we? Just kidding. Okay then, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe. And thank you for watching.
Tune in for our next video.
Bye.